So this is pretty rare for us to get snow here in Seattle, but occasionally it does happen, and definitely glad that I got my greenhouse this year because I've got that extra protection now for my figs. So I dumped about 2 to 3 inches yesterday. And yeah, it's pretty cold. Well, it is the new year, January 1st, and we have a nice helping of snow here in Seattle.
Daddy. Daddy.
And oh wow, okay. Greenhouse is doing its job. It is keeping the majority of the plants in here from frosting over, except for that. I'm not sure what's going on there. Looks like probably mold, not a snowball. Like even some of these figs are actually pretty hardy. They've kept their leaves. No frost in here, still a lot of sweating. You can see kind of the dew and the moisture on the walls here. Look at the banana plant in here. It's not doing too well, but that's okay. This is a hardy banana plant, and you can see it coming back. My papaya, however, is definitely not looking good. Longan, doing pretty good. Holding strong. Wow, look at this. It's a tobacco plant. That's holding some of its leaves. That's pretty crazy. Sapote is doing great. Cherimoya. Leaves are kind of droopy. The guava is looking good. Wow. The white sapote. Sorry, this is jaboticaba. Look at this jaboticaba. Leaves are still all there. Still lush. Man, who knew it was so winter hardy? Pretty excited about that. Dragon fruit. It's alive, I think. The plumeria doesn't seem to be doing too well in here. But overall, great protection. I'm glad I got this. And I'm glad this is in a greenhouse versus the inside of my house in the dining room. Anyways, that was just a quick update here on the greenhouse. Dead of winter. And got pretty decent protection here on the plants. So anyhow, signing off. Have a great 2017. I'd like to thank everybody that has tuned into the channel in 2016. I want to make some more quality videos versus quantity. And so I'll sharpen up my production skills. And hopefully you enjoy it. Have a good one, everybody. Bye-bye.